All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about two cryptocurrencies. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, and we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. Bitcoin Cash is the number 24th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, and Luna is the number 9 cryptocurrency. We're going to do a little deep dive into both these cryptocurrencies, do a little price protection on both of them, all kinds of good stuff going on. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So these two cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash and Luna, Luna's up like crazy numbers, like 48, 45, almost 50% in the last 7 days. And Bitcoin Cash is up about 3% in the last 7 days. So, all right, everybody, let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin Cash. Over here at CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Cash is number 24 right this second. It's up 2.99%, about 3% in the last 7 days. Tokens being traded at $438.36. Let's go ahead and check it. Again, over to the right, it's up about 0.5%, $438. Now, I want to go back to the last 3 months here. So $438, just to point out some things. Take a look at this. It was $581 last month. It was $610 last month. It was $636 last month. October, it was $600. Even when it was on the dip, it was $500. I remember saying to people, Bitcoin Cash under $500, this is crazy. And then look what it did. It went kind of all the way up the charts, and even went all the way up here to $716 last month, about a month and 10 days ago or so. So what's going on with Bitcoin Cash? It's at $438. Well, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin Cash combines gold-like scarcity with the spendable nature of cash. With a limited total supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin Cash is scarce and, like physical cash, can be easily spent. Transactions are fast, with transaction fees typically less than 1/10 of a cent. Anybody can accept Bitcoin Cash payments with smartphones or computers. Again, Bitcoin Cash is a use of the peer-to-peer payments between individuals. Bitcoin Cash can be used by paid participating merchants for goods and services in stores, online. It's got a very low fee, enabling new microtransactions economies such as tipping, content to creators, reward apps using a few cents. Bitcoin Cash also reduces the fees and settlement times for the remittance of cross-bordering trading. So all kinds of good stuff going on with Bitcoin Cash. Over here at the website, Bitcoin Cash, better money for the world. Go ahead and get started. You click it. It says for individuals, you can choose your wallet. You can choose your exchange. Choose your Explorer. So choose your wallet. And it says mobile wallets, desktop wallets, hardware wallets, paper wallets. So you kind of pick which one you're looking to do. BitPay, Bitcoin.com wallet, electronic cash. You know, what wallet are you going to use? It says pools and exchanges if you want to run a node. Developers develop tools, run a full node. So again, if you're a developer, you kind of just click right here. It's all in one. All kinds of good stuff with Bitcoin Cash. So before we jump over to Luna, Bitcoin Cash, come back to the price prediction at the end. Very, very popular cryptocurrency. Again, I was pointing out how it's under 500 and how 3 or 4 months ago when it was under 500, how it just kind of went up. $436. This could be a good discount buy. Bitcoin Cash has been around forever. I mean, it's not going anywhere. So definitely check it out. Let's go ahead and talk about Luna. Number 9 cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. It's got gigantic upticks in the last 7 days. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Luna, number 9. Take a look at this, everybody. It's up 48% in the last 7 days. So this token is up 48%, traded at $82.76. It's up about 3.5% in the last 7 days. So cryptocurrency in the top 10. So we take the last 7 days here. Take a look. 7 days ago, it was $54. And here we go. Let's ride up on this. $59, $59. Then it kind of jumped up to $63, $66. Now it's all the way over here. It's $78. Now it's up to $82. So this coin is again up like 48% in the last 7 days. So what is Luna? Luna Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. Jumping over here to the website. It's programmable money for the internet. Spend, save, and stake like never before. Terra is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithms, decentralized stablecoins, which unpin a thriving ecosystem that bring DeFi to the masses. So right here, Terra, take a look at this. Terra ecosystem is booming. Join the creators, builders, and users of the Terra ecosystem to pioneer the future of DeFi online communities. Build on Terra, discover the Terra ecosystem. You get industry-leading decentralized stablecoins, vibrant smart contract platforms, thriving cross-chain DeFi environments, build on Cosmos, SDK, Tendermint. Yeah, all kinds of nice stuff going on over here. It says right here, Terra is the leading cross-chain protocol in the industry. With Terra, assets supported by leading blockchains. You know, take a look at right here. I mean, obviously it's working with a lot of different cryptocurrencies. Pretty good graph. Join the fastest growing ecosystem in the crypto with 100 plus projects across DeFi, Web3, and NFTs. Learn more about Terra, build on Terra. All right, so give us your thoughts on Terra. This token is up 45, 48% in the last 7 days. Were you watching this a couple weeks ago when we were talking about it? And now all of a sudden the actual cryptocurrency went up like a rocket. All right, Bitcoin Cash and Terra, Luna. What are our price predictions? What do we think? I like them both. Let's go back over to Bitcoin Cash. All right, heading back over here to CoinMarketCap for Bitcoin Cash. What's our price prediction? Again, this token is being traded at $438. You know, again, over to the right here, $438. I easily think this token could get to $500 again. Again, just 3 months ago, the token right here was 723, 595, 647, 608, 554. Again, it's traded at $438. So again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But I think Bitcoin Cash can definitely get back to $500, if not $550, by the end of the first quarter next year or the first month. Check out Bitcoin Cash. All right, going over here to Luna. So Luna over here at number 9, it's up 48% right this second. It's at its high at $82. I think this token can definitely get to $100. Luna has a lot of good things going on with it. I mean, it's absolutely up 48%. Down here, it was literally at $72. Now it's at $82. Take a look at 3 months ago. The token was at $35, $37. Now it's at $82. Might as well try to get up to $100. So checking out Luna. So Bitcoin Cash, Luna, 2 awesome cryptocurrencies. Do you own some of these cryptocurrencies? Are they on your radar right now? Definitely check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency and at one day own some cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Cash and Luna. What are your thoughts? Do you have some? Hey everybody, click right here to see our most recent video, and we'll see you tomorrow.